Microchip's low-cost PolarFire SoC Discovery Kit is optimized for rapid development of embedded systems in industrial IoT, smart embedded vision, edge communications, and many other compute-intensive applications. The Discovery Kit board is based on the PolarFire MPFS 095T SoC FPGA that features an embedded quad 64-bit RISC-V core complex and 95,000 high-performance logic elements for powerful computing performance with best-in-class power efficiency and security. The board includes 1 GB of DDR4 memory, a microSD card slot, a gigabit Ethernet port, and additional interfaces. Hardware expansion options include headers for microelectronica clickboards, Raspberry Pi hats, and MIPI video, enabling rapid prototyping. The Discovery Kit includes an onboard Flash Pro 5 programmer, and a preloaded DSP-FIR filter is provided with the kit, showcasing the embedded math block capability of the PolarFire FPGA fabric. The Libero SoC design software can be downloaded from Microchip's website. New users can register for a free silver license to get started. Additional information can be found by following the on-screen link.